Ladies and gentlemen, I've come to proceed with Microsoft Excel. When you talk about Microsoft Excel, there are different issues that we're going to tackle. So now the main theme is about how to create a report card. To create a report card, you need different issues. Like for example, so in a report card you may need the name of a student, just write a name. Then this space may not be enough, so I want to increase the space of the cell. Then I will need the academic performance, like in the different subjects. So I write in English and then math I'm going to represent it as that, SST, and science. Then I may need the total marks for every student. I will need the comment, Then maybe I should first start with this. To start with, let me have one of the students as Nangula, Irene. My other student may be Nakatude, Proceed. Then the other one, and then I'm going to award them marks differently. So let's assume that this one got an 80 in English, this one got a 56, this one got a 69, this one got a 70, and this one got a 32. Then in math, I think I even got a 78. Sorry. Then Procy got 45. This one got a 70. This one got a 56. And this one has a 43. Then to continue, this one got like 50. This one got a 45. This one got a 60 here. This one got a 40. And this one has a 64. In science, I think she has an 80. Here she has, this one has 55. 55. And this one has a 40. Then to calculate the total, marks, we shall come in our cell of total, we say equals open bracket. Then we have cell B2. C2, I mean B2. Then you B2. Then you press enter. Sorry. I think it will be B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. That is one of the formulas that we can use, or you can use the formula of sum. Then you press enter. Oh, I think I've made a mistake. Then to calculate the total, we shall use our formula. We'll come and place in the cell where I want the total to appear. Then we say equals sum. We're going to use the formula. Then we open brackets. You place the cell reference, which is it's B2. Then you press shift and then you put this. Then you press this E2. Then you press enter. It will show you, it will give you the total. Or you can use a different format of saying it's B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2. Then you get the answer. Sorry, I think I've made a mistake. Let's press enter. Then you highlight it, like you get for the whole of them. Then we shall have, before we get to the comments, let's find the average, and then we shall find also the grade, and then we comment. Get the average score. To calculate the average, we are going to come in the cell where we want to show the average. We press equals average, shift open bracket, then you say cell B2 to cell B2, then you press enter. That's the average. Then you select such that you get the average for all of the students. Then to get the grade, we shall, maybe with grading we are going to place it this way. Here we are going to put our position, then for grading we are going to fix a cell here. Sorry, I've made a mistake. I have to place it. I will insert here a cell for grade for English, then as well for this. This is also for grading in math. Then if I want to grade this, I'll come and make my table here. Insert a table. First finish up with this. So we are going to continue with the grading. We are going to come and to create a table here. To use the VLOOKUP formula, we shall say it is equal to VLOOKUP. Shift, you open the brackets, you select the cell where you want. Then after that you put a comma. You come and select the point where you want. You press F4 to put the dollar signs. You put a comma 2 because it is in cell 2, cell number 2. Then you press 2. Press enter. Then I can come and continue. I think that's the formula of grading. Then to proceed with, you can use the same formula for these other grades of these other subjects. Then you come and you let's learn how to get the position such that our video is not too long. So to create positions, you are going to create a table of the number of the students, then the total scores. Then you come and you say equal sign. You type rank, and you put the bracket. I want to rank. Yeah, there is a problem with my. Maybe I should first go to my. If you want to create the position, let us try with this first one. We shall say equals, then you type rank, open bracket, the same way I want to consider this is P2, comma, then we shall come and follow this, then we press F4. Sorry. With positions, that's the formula that we can use. Equals rank, then you select the total, the first total, then you select from the first total to the last one, then you insert the dollar signs, then you come and highlight. And that's it. Then we come and comment. In commenting we can say, so to to write the comments in the report card using, we shall use a formula of if. If you say equals if, then you come and look at the cell where you want to start from, then you say greater or equal to the total that you want to end with or to begin with, like 200. Then you put the quotation marks after you comma promoted, then you put another quotation marks for that one for failed. Then you select for all of it. After entering, they will give you what to do. I think we are done of making our report card. That's how we can do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel, where I'm going to be sharing more about spreadsheet. Today I'm going to take you through how we can make a report. So this is the simplest way of how we can make a report. We are going to go step by step. We can put in this cell, we put our names for our students here. And this next, we'll put the subjects. For example, math, we shall use a short form MTC, and then SST for social studies, and then SCI for science, and CRE for Christian religious education. Then we shall need the total, and then we shall need the position, and then the word distribution. Let's try to enlarge. Then we shall need the comment. So we are going to use some names here. Let's try to enlarge this. Use some for students here. Maybe another student here. And then another last name. This is our last name. Let be our last name. Let us try to enlarge. Yes. Now let us award them marks. You can say 145. This one has a 67, this one has a 87, this one has a 90, and this one has a 70, and this one has a, and this one has, and this one has this for science. let's also add this one. Yeah, those are marks that we've added our students. Then if we want to find the total, we can use a function that is called sum. We open the bracket, then we shall come and drag this range and then close. And then we shall put a bracket here. Sorry, straight. Then we drag like this. Shall press enter, and then they will give us the total. Then after, you will not need to calculate for this, you will just autofill to the last one. So here, then here, to find the position of a student, life has been simplified. Is just say equals, and then you use a function that is called rank. This simplifies life. Open the brackets. We shall start with this because we are going to be ranking our positions according to the total. So we shall start with this cell reference, then put a comma, and then we want from this up to this, that is up to F6. Then to keep this such that for you to autofill and the marks are correct, you will need to put absolute references, that is the $sign. So you place your cursor in between F and 2, and then press, and then we shall come and press F4 to put our $signs in between there. Then we shall come here, put our cursor here in between F and 2, and then we shall press F4. Our $signs have come, and then we place our cursor in between F and 6. Then we shall press the F4, and then our $signs have appeared. Then we shall put a comma. Sorry for that. We shall put a comma. And say 0. So after us putting our absolute reference, we come here again and put a comma, and we press 0, that is from the descending order, and then put our bracket back and press enter. So they have positioned our students here. So this one is in a 5th position according to the total. Then we shall just come here, drag. So that is the marks we have. Those are the positions of our students. So now we are going for the comment. We want to comment on these students. As you see here, the positions. This one is position number 1. This one is position number 3. This one is position number 2, number 4, number 5. So you want to see who has failed and who has passed. But our comment we are going to use fail or pass. So you come here and say equals. We are going to use a function that is called if. You come to your keyboard and press if, and open the bracket. If we are going to comment according to the total that we have, we are going to base on the total that we have. We're going to say if, and we'll put a comma. So after putting our comma here, we shall say greater than. Shall come here, let us put our cursor here, and we say greater than or equal. So we are going to put the range of marks where we're going to, like the range of total where we are going to determine the one who has failed and passed. Let us range from, let us say that 230. So anyone that is not above 230 has failed. We put a comma, open our quotation marks. I'm going to open our quotation marks. And say pass, close, and then say comma. We open the quotation marks. I'm going to try to add in something here. I want to make this capital. Then we shall say fail or failed. You can say that. Failed. And even say this one. Passed. Yeah, so we are done here. We can close our bracket and then press enter. So for a student that will not be having 230 and above, will have failed. So we press enter. Yeah, sorry about that. It was just an issue of a comma here. A comma wasn't supposed to be here. So after removing it, this is our formula, this is our function if, and this is how we do it. So we shall press enter. So after pressing enter, this is what they have given us. Yeah, all of these others are passed, but only this one has failed because she has a total that is less than 230.